The breakfast for this morning, we have oats porridge, we have 2 boiled eggs, and a glass of green juice, and voila, breakfast for the king. There. Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day here. Just rolling out of bed, but the job have to go on. Give it to mama. I am up. I've been up though, been in and out of sleep. Why am I doing that? Even doing foolishness. I'm gonna show you guys today a little bit of how I take care of Babe. If you guys new to the channel, then Babe tested positive for COVID, so he have to isolate himself from us in the room, and I have to take care of him because he have to eat, he have to eat. So you want to say morning to the Faves? Say hi. So first thing first that I'm gonna get for Babe is a cup of ginger tea, which I have a strong ginger and another ginger bag in here. The ginger that I'm using is from Tropical Sun, and this other one is from, I think it's from another online store in UK. It's from a Caribbean store that I had bought a while back. And when I tell you that these gingers strong, when you drink this ginger tea, you feel it sizzling in your soul and in your spirit, and you feel like you just take a shot of rum. That's how strong this ginger is. It'll burn out your throat. So I'm going to carry this to Babe, and then this will followed by a cup of green juice with extra ginger and extra lemon. And then I'll bring him a small bowl of oats porridge. That's what's on the morning menu. Alright, so I need to put on my mask and put Princess down. Though Sarah is also not feeling so good. She's just so clingy because her corner teeth's coming up and she's just crying like crazy. She's been up since 6 o'clock. She watching our ABC. Go watch TV. Go on. Go watch TV. Go watch TV. Go. Send her to watch TV so I can bring Papa food. So I mask up. So I have different trays that I use when I'm taking Babe things to him, so that we don't have to touch each other. So it's tea time for hubby. So let's go. Alright you guys, so it's been a minute since Babe got his tea. Now I'm going to make some green juice for him, and the green juice is my regular green juice recipe that I normally use. 5 ingredients. I'm using apple, cucumber, celery, lemon, and ginger. And then I'll show you guys what else I'm gonna bring with him to him for breakfast with this. I'm gonna juice these. I'm not gonna blend them, so I'll add nothing at all to them. No other liquid or anything, just the juice from these fruits and veggies. I'm squeezing the lemon first. I always like to squeeze the lemon first before I make it. So I'm using 1 big lemon. Normally when I'm making green juice I use half, but this time called for extra ingredients, and now we juice. So I had to come back and make some pour green juice for Tyler and Sarah because that wasn't enough. It was just enough for 2 persons. So now I'm making some so the kids can get. Sarah is ready for hers. Can you tell? You're ready for juice? You want juice? Come. Come. The juice is ready. Sarah love our green juice. Tyler, come and get you green juice, baby. It's yummy. Look how much Sarah drank. More? She's slowing down. Look at her stomach. Breakfast for this morning, we have oats porridge, we have 2 boiled eggs, and a glass of green juice, and voila, breakfast for the kids. My job in the kitchen is done for this morning. Make sure you guys are doing good. Make sure you guys are staying blessed, staying loved, staying motivated, wearing your mask, and staying safe. Taking care of your family. Love you guys. Sarah is down for a nap. Tyler is watching his tablet, and I am gonna have some breakfast and relax a bit before Sarah wakes up. So I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. Oh, who is this? Who is this? You guys, it's good to have at least one friend where you live. And my only friend, you guys know who that is. Auntie Jen. Auntie Jen, I sent Jen a list of things to get for me at the supermarket last night, and she went and get them this morning because of course we can go out, but it will be selfish of us to go out because one, I don't know if I'm corona positive because I'm still under 7 days quarantine. At this point I am considered more dangerous than Babe, and Babe is not at the 7-day mark as yet. So Jen just dropped off some things for me. I'm just gonna show you guys a few of the things that I picked up for Babe and for us to last until next week sometime, and then I'm gonna make him some lunch. So I got me some apples so I can continue making green juice. I got seedless grapes because Babe is loving grapes while he's sick. I got some sweet peppers.
I love grapes.
I got broccoli.
I love broccoli.
Don't touch, I tell you to stay over here. And
pineapple, I love it.
And what's this?
Avocado, I don't like.
And we got 1 bag of vitamin C. What's this?
I love it when it's in juice.
Yes. And we got another bag of vitamin C. What is this?
I love it when it's in juice.
This is not orange. What is this?
Tangerine.
Yes, tangerine.
I love it when
And more broccoli. And we're not finished yet, Ty. And some ginger.
I
have ginger, but I just wanted some extra, more avocado. And another pineapple.
I love it.
And I wanted cantaloupe, and she couldn't get any cantaloupe. Cantaloupe and green beans. I think she forget the green beans. Sure. And cucumber for the green juice. Yeah, so those are all the things that I got. I'm going to wash and clean up and pack out these right now and then make Babe some lunch. He's resting right now. He's taking a nap. So I'll wake him up and get him lunch. So that's a little supermarket haul today. Right?
Yes, you want to wake up Papa because you remember one day you was doing vlog and I heard you said when you wake up Papa back hurts. So and it's very good when he tell you to wake up all by himself. So what you said
I'm
that
gonna wake him up.
Yes,
I'm gonna check if he's wake up first. Okay? He doesn't want me to wake up his papa. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to go and make some lunch for babe. Alright, you guys, so there goes babe lunch for today. And I'm giving him a tangerine to eat after. How is babe, you ask? I'm sure you guys want to know how is he doing, like physically, mentally, and stuff like that. Babe is doing better with each passing day. He's doing better. He's still having a little back pain, but he says each day the back pain get less. And guess who went walking? He did. I went to see him after lunch to check if how he's doing, and he said he's bored, he wants something to do. So he went and walked on the treadmill for 45 minutes. Now I am here making some chicken soup.
And some cornmeal and sausage for me.
And Tyler says he wants polenta, which is turned cornmeal in Jamaica or in English. So I am going to be making that for Tyler. I say one turned cornmeal and sausage. Girl, how am I gonna cook with you? Sarah is teething like crazy and she's not giving me the time of day. So I have to multitask with Sarah in my hand sometimes. But gotta do what gotta do, girl. Shawty will be fine. Tyler turned cornmeal is coming together here, and then the soup is also looking good. Alright, chicken soup. I go on. I have carrot, dumpling, potato, pumpkin, and chicken in here. Alright, so in babe wake, they should be ready to go. Finish cooking. Tyler turned cornmeal is ready. Looks good. And the soup also ready at the same time. So I'm gonna share everybody dinner right now. Alright, babe, soup is ready. Ready to go.
Right now.
Who is that? Who is that? Tell Faves you're going to take a nice bath and go right to bed. Tell Faves tomorrow. Then bye-bye. I know. Yep. It's bedtime for my girl. Who is that?
Papa, Adima. Adima. Je t'aime aussi.
Hi guys, is my little single moment of the day. I am fine. I won't complain. I'm here. Somebody taking care of me. I feel like I'm in a hotel. I mean, um, somebody bring me the food and I get whatever I want except going out. But yeah, I'm okay. I'm here watching TV on my phone. I guess Netflix actually is my best friend. I have no TV, but I have my phone. So Netflix on my phone is my best friend actually. But I'm okay. I'm okay today. Today I feel kind of boring because nothing else to do than staying here. So I went for a little walk. And it was fine. I mean, I was stretching in the same time that I was walking. I walked for about 55 minutes. Yeah, 55 minutes. I walked on this treadmill. I didn't go outside. I was just here because in the room there's a little veranda here, and this is my space. So I went for a long single walk just to, yeah, want. I walk at 3 3K per hour, so very slow, very slow, just to do something, just to be active and not sitting in that bed all day. So yeah, that was the good points of today. So I'll see if I can eventually do that tomorrow again. So yeah, otherwise I'm fine. I'm very thankful for every message again that I receive and for all the person that check on me. So yeah, that's why my health. I'm okay. I'm okay. So yeah. And I miss Babe, I miss Tyler, I miss Sarah. You know, easy to see them just here. Sometimes I see them like in a WhatsApp, like if I am in away from home. But well, that's what it is. It's just like 3 4 days remain, and then I be out. I mean, I stay here, but I should be it should be after my quarantine. So yeah, hopefully you all doing well. Hopefully you all taking care of yourself is very important. Sometimes you don't have chance. I mean, you can't, even if you do as much care as you can. Sometimes you just there's a little thing in the supermarket or in the street or anything, and right, you catch it. So that's fine. You just have to take care of yourself to minimize the risk. So yeah, hopefully Babe is doing good. I see her, she's all over the place taking care of everybody. So yeah, have a big thanks to her. So thank you.
So there you guys have a little update from Babe about how he's doing today. And it's my time to just breathe. Ooh. It's been a long day, man. No, I appreciate Babe even more than I used to around this house, because on my own, oh, it's just go time. It's just go time. Single mama's hats off to y'all, cause it's a whole lot of work with taking care of the kids and making sure that Babe is okay and taking care of myself and taking precautions here and there, cleaning and all of it. But I will not complain. I am grateful we have life. We're humbled for every single opportunity and every single day that goes by that we breathe. We are grateful. And I continue to say thank you to everyone who send us love and send us prayers, and you guys are absolutely amazing. With all that said, I'm gonna sign out here for today, and of course I'll see you guys back tomorrow. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, catch up and keep up, and of course I'll see you guys tomorrow.